Tonight, before you close your eyes, listen carefully. There are moments in life when heaven whispers softly to the heart, and this may be one of those moments. The message is simple: do not give up now. God is working in ways you cannot yet see. Sometimes we carry heavy burdens, fear, disappointment, loneliness, or unanswered prayers. We wonder if anyone truly understands the silent battles we fight every day. But remember this: Jesus Christ sees every tear, hears every prayer, and walks beside you even in the darkest nights. Tonight is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of a new chapter. A major shift can happen when faith becomes stronger than fear. God can open doors no person can close. He can heal broken hearts, restore peace to troubled minds, and give strength to those who feel weak. Before you sleep tonight, take a moment to pray. Speak honestly from your heart. Say, "Lord, guide me. Give me wisdom, peace, and courage for tomorrow." Even a small prayer, spoken with faith, can bring comfort and hope. Do not let anxiety control your thoughts tonight. Leave your worries in God's hands. The struggles of today do not define your future. Better days can come. New opportunities can appear. Healing and peace can grow little by little. As you rest tonight, remember that you are loved, valued, and never forgotten by God. Tomorrow may bring answers you have been waiting for. Keep believing, keep praying, keep moving forward with faith. May your heart be filled with peace, your mind with hope, and your spirit with strength. Sleep knowing that God is with you, watching over you through the night. And when morning comes, rise with faith, because a new beginning may already be on its way. Amen.